Hello. Here are the steps to download Android Studio and install it. 1. Go to the website of Android developer. Find below the link. 2. Click on button called Download Android Studio. Once clicked, you will land to the page saying Android Studio. Get the official Integrated Development Environment, IDE, for Android app development. Click on the button Download Android Studio Koala. 3. Accept the terms and conditions. 4. From your desktop, install Android Studio. Then install Android Studio on Windows. If you downloaded an .exe file, recommended, double-click to launch it. If you downloaded a zip file, unpack the zip. Copy the Android Studio folder into your Program Files folder. Open the Android Studio bin folder. Launch studio64.exe for 64-bit machines or studio.exe for 32-bit machines. Follow the setup wizard in Android Studio and install any recommended SDK packages. The following video shows each step of the setup procedure for the recommended .exe download.